they have won because of the blessings of the Election Commission of India. Otherwise, you would not have seen even the 12% from the Bharatiya Janata Party from the West Bengal. What the CISF has done, sir? CISF, they were threatening the voters. Go and cast votes in favor of the Bharatiya Janata Party. It is a shame to Mr. Amit Shah, the Home Minister, that his CISF have entered into the house. Why this 7th phase election? Why? We have objected to that. Why this 7th phase election? I know law, I go by law. A good number of police officers, right from DG to OC, were transferred because of the desire of the BJP leaders. And not only that, before effecting such transfers, the leader of the opposition of the state assembly, in a public speech, was used to say, these officers will be transferred, these officers will be transferred, these officers will be transferred, these officers will be transferred. You know, please. Now, Oita, public speech, public speech, he was telling, and the Election Commission of India has acted in terms of the dictation of the Bharatiya Janata Party leaders. Election Commission of India, every stage, every time, Election Commission of India has interfered with the election process. Not a single one has been fed. But when we lost the complaint against the BJP candidates and the BJP leaders, no step was taken. No step was taken. In a marginal win, 10,000 seats, 7,000 seats, 8,000 seats, 8,000 votes, they have won because of the blessings of the Election Commission of India. Otherwise, you would not have seen even the 12% from the Bharatiya Janata Party from the West Bengal. What the CISF has done, sir? CISF, they were threatening the voters. Go and cast votes in favor of the Bharatiya Janata Party. Do you know in the 5th phase of election, that is on the date of my election and Sajda Amal's election, do you know, previous night, CISF entered into the house, molested 2 women. One is at Ulubedia and one is at, yes, and one is at my constituency, Jangipara. It is a shame to Mr. Amit Shah, the Home Minister, that his CISF have entered into the house.
माननीय एक मिनट
अरे सुनो भाई, 2 CISF officers were arrested.
माननीय सदस्य, आप वरिष्ठ सदस्य हैं
सर,
अपन को
क्यों नहीं बोलेंगे? बोलना होगा. 2 CISF officers were arrested. 2 CISF officers were arrested. Now, sir, just to why the 7th phase election? Why? We have objected to that. Why this 7th phase election? Election was conducted for 3 months. To accommodate whom? Of course, I will speak.
Banerjee is a very senior member and a very learned lawyer. And he's an eminent jurist also. My only request to you, sir, is when we make allegations against an individual or against an institution, there is a provision in the rules. He should be given, or he or she should be given to give a reply. I don't find there is anyone in this house who can stand up on behalf of Election Commission to reply.
नियम Rule 353 देख लेना.
Keeping that in mind, sir, I would request Kalyan Banerjee, sir, to consider that. Please consider that, because, thank you.
Jab. Arrested. Sir,
Please,
Chop.
please.
Sir, I would not have raised the issue. Sir, I would not have raised the issue. I would not have raised the issue unless in this speech it has been written, quote, I also express my gratitude to the Election Commission of India on behalf of the courts of India today. This is the largest election. I am opposing that. I am opposing that. Why you have brought Election Commission of India into this speech? Why you have brought? If you have brought in the President's address, you have to hear Mr. Mehtab. You must have tolerance to hear now. You have gone to that side, now you increase your presence. You increase your tolerance. This is written here. I know law, I go by law. Sir, now, अभी इतना गुस्सा आ गया. थोड़ा बाद में देखो ना क्या होगा. अभी इतना गुस्सा. Why 7th phase election? Why? Why for 2 months and 30 days, 15 days? Why? Why the entire development of the country has been stopped? Why? To accommodate Mr. Narendra Modi and Mr. Amit Shah to go on.